Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Linear Ocean Learning channel on transformation of sentences according to structure from complex to simple and from complex to compound. Today my video is on Rule 35 and Rule 36. Let's get started with Rule 35. Complex sentences with noun clause as apposition of it. Example, it is clear that he has done this. In this sentence, it is clear is the principal clause and that he has done this is the subordinating clause, and it is working as noun clause because of working as the apposition of it. Now, if we put it into simple sentence, we have to follow a certain structure. Before going for the structure, I should clarify one thing, and that is I have used many abbreviations in my structure and I should clarify them. Here, SC means subordinating conjunction. PFOSOSCl, that means possessive form of subject of subordinating clause. NPOSCl, that means next part of subordinating clause. Then SOPCl, that means subject of principal clause. NPOPCl, next part of principal clause. IPO means in place of, PCL means principal clause. VOT, verbs of thinking. OFOSOSCl, that means objective form of subject of subordinating clause. Now let us begin simple sentence. SC, that is subordinating conjunction omitted. Here subordinating conjunction is that, it will be omitted, plus possessive form of subject of subordinating clause. Here the subject of subordinating clause is he and its possessive form will be his, plus gerund, that means in place of gerund in place of verb we have to write gerund, that is verb ing or noun form, plus next part of subordinating clause, plus subject of principal clause. Subject of principal clause here is it, omitted, it will be omitted, plus next part of principal clause. Now let's get started. He's doing this. Here subordinating clause is that he has done this. Here that will be omitted, and that's what it is written in the structure. Subordinating conjunction omitted, then possessive form of subject of subordinating clause. Here subject is he and its possessive form is his. So his plus gerund or noun, that is verb ing or noun. Then here the verb is has done and its ing form is doing. In case of present perfect tense, it will be verb ing, that is with the principal verb we have to put verb base plus ing. Then next part of subordinating clause is this. So he is doing this. Then subject of principal clause will be omitted. It is omitted. Then next part of principal clause is clear. So he is doing this is clear. Again we can say it in a different way. The fact of his doing this is clear. Now if we want to put it into compound sentence, the structure we have to follow is SCL, that is subordinating clause, other than subordinating conjunction or that. Here subordinating conjunction is that. Other than this, we have to write the subordinating clause. Here subordinating clause is that he has done this. Other than that, it will be he has done this. Here he has done this. Then and IPO SC, that is subordinating conjunction or that. ILO, it should be ILO in lieu of, instead of that we have to write and. Then principal clause. Here principal clause is it is clear, so it is clear. The answer we get is he has done this and it is clear. Now it's rule 36, complex sentences with noun clause after verbs of thinking. Verbs of thinking are like, think, not like, think, consider, believe, etc. Understand too. Examples: I think that he is honest. If we want to put it into simple sentence, then we have to follow this one. Subject, here subject is I, VOT, that means verbs of thinking. Here verbs of thinking, and verb of thinking is think plus SC omitted. Here SC means subordinating conjunction, that is omitted, plus objective form of subject of subordinating clause. Here in this subordinating clause, he is honest, subject is he, and its objective form is him. Then in place of BV, that is am is are in present, it will be to be, IPO am is are. Or if it is in was were, that is past indefinite tense, then it will be to have been plus NPOSCl, that is next part of subordinating clause. Now if we follow the structure, then the compound sentence we are getting is I think, verbs of thinking, think, then that omitted, and objective form of the subject of subordinating clause is he, him. Then in place of is, it will be to be. Then next part of subordinating clause, honest. I think that he is honest, and then its compound one is I think him to be honest. A simple one is I think him to be honest. Compound sentence: SCL other than SC, subordinating clause other than SC, that is subordinating conjunction or that. Here subordinating conjunction is that, plus and IPO SC or that, subordinating conjunction or that, plus PCL. PCL here is I think, then so or that. We can write so instead of that, or that instead of so. If we follow the structure, the compound sentence we get is he is honest, and I think so. Example 2, I believe that he was once dishonest. If we follow the two examples of structures of simple and compound, the simple and compound we get out of this sentence, I believe that he was once dishonest, will be I believe him to have once been dishonest, and compound one is he was once dishonest and I believe so. Words. In the previous examples of Rule 36, Here we get an example. I think that he is honest. Here in this subordinating clause, it is that is subordinating conjunction plus subject plus BV plus adjective. But in a slightly deviated way, this same thing is presented here. Complex sentences with subject, verbs of thinking, that plus subject, that means subordinating conjunction, BV, then article plus adjective plus noun. Before, this construction of article plus adjective plus noun was not there. Now if we give an example of this structure, then it is, he considers that you are a truthful boy. If we want to put it into simple sentence, the structure we get is subject, verbs of thinking, plus subordinating conjunction or that is, here the subordinating conjunction is that, omitted, that is, he considers, then that will be omitted, plus objective form of subject of subordinating clause. Here, that you are a truthful boy, the subject of this subordinating clause is you, and we will have to write the objective form of this subject. Then the objective form of subject you is you itself, plus BV omitted. Here there will be no be verb, plus NPOSCl, next part of subordinating clause. Here next part of subordinating clause is a truthful boy. Then the simple sentence we get if we follow the structure is, he considers you a truthful boy. If we want to put it into compound sentence, the structure we have to follow is subordinating clause SCL, other than subordinating conjunction that, plus and ILO subordinating conjunction that is in lieu of or instead of that we have to write and, plus PCL. Here PCL, that means Princippal Clause, is considers. Then after that we have to write so as object of the Princippal Clause, he considers so. If we follow the structure, the compound sentence we get is, you are a truthful boy and he considers so. Viewers, this much today. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.